Hi, welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am share with you guys how to remove leading space and trailing space. Leading space means when you have a text, before the text if we have a space, that one is the leading space. Trailing space means when you have a text, after the text you have a space, that one is the trailing space. So this column have a leading space and trailing space too. So how to remove this space from this column? So here we use for trim command. So here we can click here, trim. Okay, trim, and we know this one is a table. Before that we need to insert the table format this data set, and then we need to work, otherwise it's a little harder. The table is very easy, so we need to trim. We have a table name here. See, wait a minute, this table name. Before that we need to check the product is a table name. Okay, products is a table name, so we can go here and equal trim. We know the table name, trim product. Yes, the product is the table name, and column name. What is the column name? Product name. Okay, product name, and close, enter. See, all of them is now trim, so no space there. Then how to change this column? Copy this column, this old column, and here select this one and control. Here is a paste special. Go to paste special and paste value only. Okay, paste value only here. So this one is already changed, so no space here. Okay, so we remove this one. So we already done. So we already remove all spaces. So here we use, here we check, here we learn how to remove leading space and trailing space. First, what we need to do, we can use for trim, and then we have a table name and table column name, and then equal trim, table name and column name, enter. Then copy and paste special. Go to paste special and paste value. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you.